Hello there guys, sa mga kagaya kong babagsakin sa math. It's me, Kevin Rick, and today I'll be walking you through this function, yung setup function. Why? Because calculators can be set up in various ways. By the way, I use the Casio 570ES Plus. Okay, so let's go. Now to access the setup menu, we press Shift and then this button. Okay, so number 1 and number 2 are for the display format. If math mode is activated, then mathematical expressions like fractions and exponents will be shown in the conventional way. We can input fractions this way, and it will show results this way. So fractions will be shown like how it is written on paper. However, if we are going to activate the line mode, then results will be presented in a single line display. So fractions will look like this, and the results will look like that. Of course, it is better to activate our calculators in the math mode. Okay, so number 3, 4, and 5 are for how we want our angles to be presented. Now, if we want our angles to be in degree mode, we press 3. If we want our angles to be presented in radians, then we activate number 4. However, if we want it to be in gradients, then we activate number 5. If you are in the junior high school, I prefer you to always set your calculators in the degree mode. Well, unless it is a requirement that you set it in the radians or gradients. Number 6, 7, and 8 are for the decimal display. We select number 6 if we want to have a fixed number of decimal places. To activate number 7 if you want your results to be presented in scientific notation. And you activate number 8 if you want your decimals to be presented in the normal notation. Now we're going to press down. It will show us more menu. Number 1 and 2 are for the fraction display. So you activate number 1 if you want your fractions to be presented as a mixed fraction. You activate number 2 if you want it to be in improper fraction. Number 3 allows us to choose kung ano yung form na gusto natin for a complex number. So here we can have the A plus BI form or the polar form. As for number 4, the stat mode, if we're going to press this, it will give us a choice if we want to enable the frequency or not. Number 7 is for the decimal point display. This allows us to choose between a dot and a comma for our decimal point. And lastly, you can select number 8 if you want to adjust the contrast of your screen to suit your lighting conditions. So that is it for this video. I hope your calculators are properly set for your classes. See you guys in the next one.